Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another video for you guys today, and it is all about my YouTube equipment and what I use to film my YouTube videos. I've gotten quite a bit of questions like on Instagram and just in general of people asking me like what I use to film my videos or how do I edit my videos, things like that. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys everything that I use to film my videos, like equipment, accessories, everything like that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up down below, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to mention is what I use to film my videos, and I film on my iPhone. I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and that is what I'm using to film right now. Right now, for filming, I am also using my ring light as well, so I'll show you guys that towards like the end. But I'm going to show you everything else first. And I also edit on my MacBook Pro. I have the new 13-inch MacBook Pro that came out back in May. Yeah, came out in May. I got it not that long ago. It was a gift for Mother's Day, and that's another thing too with a lot of this stuff. I have accumulated this stuff for quite a bit of time, almost like 2 years I want to say, or maybe like a year and a half. So I didn't just go out and buy everything at once. A lot of this stuff I bought off of Amazon. It wasn't super expensive, so I don't have like the most expensive accessories or like things that I use to film, but I think that they are good for the price. And I just wanted to share it with you guys in case you are looking to purchase any YouTube equipment, or if you want to invest a little bit more into, accessories and tripods and things like that. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to show you guys is my handheld tripod, and I have two different tripods. One that I use to film sit-down videos, so that's the one that I'm using right now. So I also have a handheld tripod, and it is this one right here, and these are the little legs of it, so you can stand up this tripod whichever way you want to, and you can also bend these legs so you can wrap it around something. So if you are filming outside maybe, or I don't know, if you're filming a video and you don't have like really anywhere to put your tripod, or if you need a better angle, you can actually wrap these legs around certain things. Like I've used this tripod on a chair. I've wrapped the legs around a chair. I'm trying to think what else. I've just used it randomly, so you can just bend it and manipulate it whichever way you want to. So I really like that because you can just use it anywhere. And also too, like the height of this is actually a good height as well. So they actually had smaller ones and bigger ones of this tripod, but I got I guess the medium, you'd say. I didn't get the super big one and I didn't get the super small one. I think that this is a good size to start off with, or just for what I film, this is a good tripod. So this is my handheld one, so when I'm using it to film maybe an intro or to vlog or something, I hold all three legs like this, and then I just hold up my phone and everything. Well, I put my phone on the mount and then I just film like this. Okay, so speaking of mounts, I actually have two of them, and one of them is on the handheld tripod. This is the one that I started off with, so this was the first mount that I ever bought or had, and this one is also from Amazon, and the other one that I'm using is on my tripod. And the reason why I got a second mount was because I also got a microphone for as a gift, so I had to get another mount so I can have the microphone on the mount and I can use my microphone to have better audio. Okay, so this mount I actually like because you can turn your phone two different ways. So if you're filming long ways for YouTube, you would just put your phone and use this knob right here to tighten it. So you can use it this way long ways to film for YouTube. You can actually turn this part right here and you can film your phone standing up, and you can actually use that for Instagram. If you need to film with your phone upright, you can also use it like this. So I really like this mount because it is you can use it two different ways and you do get your money's worth. Now I did pay around $6 or $7.99 for this mount, and then I actually bought it for my mom not that long ago, and it actually went up in price. So I don't know if that has anything to do with people being home or something. I'm not really sure, because I also noticed that the ring light that I have, it also went up in price. So I am going to make sure that I link everything down below for you guys, but just in case you're wondering like about prices and everything, I did notice that like some prices did go up, so I'm sorry for that, but I don't know why, you know, it costs more. I don't know. But anyways, so I actually have another attachment on this tripod, and it is this little piece right here. This piece right here, I actually didn't have this at first. I only had the mount and the tripod, and my boyfriend was the one that actually told me that I needed the middle piece right here. I'm not sure the exact name for it, but what it does is that it turns your phone different ways. So let's say if you're filming, you know, like this, if you're doing like a vlog, or I don't know, if you're just filming something, if you want to tilt your phone like downwards a little bit more, you can actually turn this and it'll go downwards, or you can do it, you know, upwards, or, you know, to the side. It basically is like a little ball and it rolls around. So that's really nice. If you're just using like one tripod, you can get, you know, a lot of good uses out of this. So it's actually really good. I didn't know that I needed it at first, but I noticed a huge difference whenever I started using it, that, you know, this was a really good piece. So this piece right here just helps you get like better angles or just anything like that. So I really like this piece, and this was pretty much like the whole little setup that I had. And then whenever I got my microphone, that's whenever I got a second mount, and then I also used that on my tripod. Okay, so since I'm showing you guys my handheld tripod, I figured that I would show you guys another little piece. And this right here, well, on it says it's a small rig. So this piece right here, I actually like didn't know anything about it or anything like that. My boyfriend was the one that got it for me, and it said I needed it. He's pretty much like, you know, the brains behind everything. He picks out like all of my equipment, and he's very like into tech and everything, and I'm like the opposite. So this piece actually you can put onto like your handheld tripod or your tripod that stands up, and you can actually mount. This piece right here is to mount something else on here, so like your microphone, for example, or an extra lighting of some sort, you can put on here. And how it works is you just attach it. Let me show you guys. This little piece right here widens it so that you can put it on something. So I'm gonna put it on the handheld tripod, and what you do is you just clasp it on there, and then you use this piece right here to tighten it. So I'm just gonna tighten it, and then it stays on there. So you can actually add a microphone or a lighting, like I said. So for example, if I didn't have the mount that I'm using right now, if I wanted to keep using this mount, all I would need is to get this piece, and I could add my microphone on here and, you know, have my microphone and also my phone. So this really does come in handy. I didn't put it on here like that great, so I'm sorry that it looks like all weird, but this piece, like I said, you literally can add something on here, and it really does come in handy. If you only want one tripod, this will come in handy for that. So you can literally add anything to it, and I'm not gonna lie, it does make the tripod a little bit heavier, but I feel, in my opinion, like it's worth it, because you can just get this piece and you can add lighting or a microphone. So yeah, this is what it'll look like. So you would just, you know, hold it up, or if you need to set it down on the table or anything like that, you can set it on here and talk like that. So this is really nice. I really like this piece, and it has come in handy quite a bit. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys one piece of my ring light. I don't have it on my ring light right now, but since I am using my tripod, but my ring light came with a mount in itself, or like it came with a place to put your phone. So you actually could use your ring light as a tripod. And this is what the piece looks like right here. This is the part that goes on to the ring light. And I'll show you guys at the end what I'm talking about, but this piece goes on to your ring light, and this holds your phone here too. And you can also turn your phone whichever way, which I'll show you guys, but you could, if you need to film it long ways or standing upright, you know, you can film whichever way you want to. It also comes with a little remote to the ring light, so you can actually press this button and start filming, and you don't have to like go up to your phone and, you know, hit record and everything like that, because I'm not gonna lie, sometimes it is a little bit of a struggle to film on your phone because you can't see yourself if you're using the back camera, which is the best camera to use if you're filming on your phone. I actually try to use my TV as a monitor or my MacBook Pro. So right now I'm using my TV, and if you see me looking up, that's why. I'm actually screen mirroring onto my TV. So that's one way that maybe you could use as a monitor. So it's better for me to film in my living room because I can connect my phone to the TV and use it as a monitor pretty much. Or sometimes I have used my MacBook Pro if I'm filming in my bedroom. So yeah, now I'm gonna show you guys my tripod and my ring light that I'm using right now, because that's pretty much it for accessories and things like that I use. Okay guys, so this is the tripod that I use, and it actually extends into a taller tripod. These are the little tighteners, and I don't know what you call those, but you just undo these to make it taller and expand it. So this is the tripod that I use. I actually purchased this from, I believe, Office Depot a while back. I got it on a really good sale. I can't even remember how much I paid for it. I think it was something like $12, $13. So I'm gonna see if I can try to find a link to it, or maybe something similar. I'm gonna see if I can put something in the description box for you guys. But this is the tripod that I use, and this is the brand right here. I don't know if maybe I'll be able to find it through the brand name, but this is the tripod that I use. And this is my mic right here. So I'm not using it right now, so if the audio sounds a little bit bad, I'm sorry in advance, but I just wanted to show you guys. So this is the second mount that I have. This is so I can hold my microphone on there. And this is the mic currently that I use for all my YouTube videos. This is the Rode microphone, and I really like this mic. It's not too big. So like I said, when I use a smaller tripod, I just put this mount onto the smaller tripod, and I can also use my microphone. So I like the fact that it's not too big and it's not very heavy. So I really like this. This is just a basic tripod, and this is what I use to plug into my phone for the mic and just make it taller this way. And this knob right here is what makes it tilt up and downward. So yeah, this is my tripod. Okay, so this is my ring light right here, and I don't have it on right now. So if the lighting is a little bit dark, it's because I don't have my ring light on anymore. So that just goes to show you how much lighting a ring light actually adds. But like I said, this is purchased from Amazon, and it's not really that big. I also don't have a designated filming area, so I'm constantly putting things back where they go, and I can't just leave all of my filming stuff out. First of all, because I have a 1-year-old, and also because I don't have a designated room or area that I film in. So this is actually really nice to have because I can also, move it around, and it's portable. And these little latches right here, these are similar to the tripod. You can make it taller or shorter. It actually has different settings, so you can do cool tone lighting, warm tone, neutral, or bright, I think, or it's LED, something like that. But you can do different settings, and you can make it brighter or dimmer. You guys, that goes on the ring light is this one right here, and I'm gonna attach it so that I can show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is how the piece looks on the ring light, but this is where your phone goes, and just turn on the light and you have a whole little setup right here. So this ring light is really nice, and the fact that it comes with the little mount is perfect. Okay guys, so that is going to be it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully this helped you, and like I said, I'm going to make sure that I have everything linked in the description box for you guys, or if I can't find the exact item, maybe something similar, because the only thing that I'm unsure about if I'll be able to find is the tripod that I'm using. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and like always, if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any video ideas on what I should film next, go ahead and leave them down below in the comments, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.